Nation.
Yo, what's happening? Now I know, don't get worried about the title of this video. As you can see, I still got a full head of dreadlocks. It just came a time when one lock specifically was giving me a hard time over and over and over again, which was basically every single day. And the way that it was bothering me was that every time I would bend forward to do something, guess which lock was there every single time? It always fell down. It was the longest lock that I had. It always fell down in the way, and I'm every day constantly doing this all the time. And yesterday, the humidity was so bad and so hot in my house, and I just woke up in the morning, like I just had enough. The heat was already bothering me. The lock was getting in my way. I just said, you know what, now is the time. I'm gonna chop it off. And that's what I did. And going back on the heat, I can see why the murder rates rise in this humidity, in these heat domes, because people lose their patience. And I definitely lost my patience with my lock yesterday. So this video coming up is basically getting me shooting the video on my GoPro in the washroom as I'm going through the thought process of wanting to chop this lock off. I'm gonna throw it to that video now, so hopefully you guys enjoy that. Smash that like button down below, and I'll talk to you guys on the outro. So roll the clip. I'm literally so tired of this dread, and it's so hot, and it always falls in my way. So today's the day I'm gonna trim it, man. I'm trimming it so it's finally getting out of my way. I'm just sick of it. I'm sick of it today. So this wick I made with a crochet hook not too long ago, a year ago maybe. It really lengthened the lock so much, but anytime my hair's tied back, this one always falls in the way. So I'm just gonna cut it, man. I'm just tired of it. I'm gonna cut it where the wick starts. I don't know how long I should cut it. I'm just gonna cut it shorter, man. I'll start here. I'll start right here. I want this one to be short, bro. That's it. I'm just tired of this one being really long. The wick was a good. Done. Crazy. Hey, it looks pretty good inside the dread actually. But yeah, that wick is done. I don't care for this dreadlock anymore. Rub a little bit of oil on my hand and just get it in there, because it looked like it was a little bit dry. But now this lock, now is a big Congo freeform. There's no more wick to it. Oh my god, it's It already feels so much better just hanging like that rather than having it way down here. That was needed. Still looks pretty good actually. You can't even really tell that I cut it. This is the palm rolling technique right here. The only time I really would do this is when I would cut an end and kind of want to reseal it. And look, that one actually turned out pretty good. If I want to tie it up, oh my god, it's so much easier to just tuck it back there now. Dude, that honestly made a big difference. Big difference. So, I was contemplating this for quite a while. And I'm just happy to have finally done it. It needed to be done. That dread was experimental anyways. Now we got it as a souvenir. I guess it's time to clickbait some people, huh? And after all that, the lock now is has gone through a little bit of a transformation. I've opened up the wick, but it is much shorter now, and it doesn't fall nearly as much in the way. It's still falling in the way like this, but it's a lot lighter now, and it doesn't come down way down to my belly button. I will give you an updated video on how my lock got into this, as well as an interesting video on what I found inside of this dreadlock. But you're gonna have to subscribe and stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next part 2 of this video. But yes, that is the lock and how he's doing now. Anyways, more to come on this journey. Hopefully you guys are staying happy and natty, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, one loves. Buy some merch if you haven't yet. Help support Knot Nation. I'm gone. Adios.